Good morning from day 3 in Koh Rong. You okay?
Yep.
What we doing today then? Yep, that's right, we got... Don't think you need the boat, you're already gone swimming by the looks of it. We're going to hop on a boat with the guys at Adventure Adam. We're going to do a tour of the island. We're going to stop, do a bit of snorkeling. A few beaches along the way. We're going to go around the complete island. Hopefully stop for sunset if the weather's like it is now. Around the other side we should have a cracking sunset. I think we've got a bit of fishing as well, which I think I've only ever been fishing once before in my life. And the one time I went fishing, the only thing I ever caught was sunstroke. So we'll give that a go, see if I got a bit more luck today. And then we're gonna, when it gets dark after sunset, hopefully see the luminous plankton, which is on the other side of the island, which we've never seen before, have we?
Yeah.
So we'll give that a go. We're already running late. We should have been at the jetty 10 minutes ago. So let's see if that boat's still there and hop on it. Oh yes, got one.
Hey, you got one.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
Oh, grouper.